Here's an early flight with my Spirit of Control line. So here we are, we've got the Spirit of Control line ready to go. The lines have been set. All I have to do is connect the battery and we'll be ready to go. In this case there is no switch, so as soon as you hook it up, it is armed and ready to go. You can hear the beeps, the propeller will twirl, and the timer defaulted to 40 seconds. I changed it to 20, but there's more than enough time to get out to the line and get comfortable. So rather than see me standing here waiting, here's a picture of the controls, your lines, the bell crank, the control horns, and the push rod. Typical control line setup. And we're still waiting, so here's a picture of all the electronics, the battery, the escape, and the motor. And on the other side we have the timer, which has a light. The timer takes the place of the receiver. So the light lights when it's getting ready to take off. I put my hand out like I would if someone was holding the plane, and off we go. I'll walk back to the center of the cement circle. I'll start off with a reverse wing over, a very bad one, and then back to a regular wing over. Again, still learning on the plane. This was an older video. You can tell also because the runway only has 3 segments. At the preparation of this video, we're now up to 8 segments. But on the Spirit of Control line, this plane, I call it the toy of control line because it's designed to go slow. It's only a 45-foot length in line, and since it's slow and it has enough pull, it's great for learning those scary maneuvers. You get that muscle memory locked in before you use it on your faster and bigger control line planes. I consider it sort of like flight simulator for remote control planes, in that once you get the maneuvers down and get your confidence, especially in inverted, it'll really make it easier to transition to the bigger, more powerful planes. At this time I hadn't started trying square loops or anything like that, but maybe we'll post that in some later videos. So appreciate you watching. We'll post more videos. It'll be a lot of the pilots flying. A lot of it will just so the pilot can see what they're doing. But if you have questions or anything, let us know, and we'd love to help you out if we can. And if you ever have a chance to visit us at the field, please do so. We're at bamsrc.org. Check out the website, and have a good day. Thanks.